So boys and girls, this is how we make fresh coffee in my house. This is a Pyrex stovetop coffee pot, and I think it's one of the best. As you can see, there's the coffee percolating. Now when it gets to this point, I give it 5 minutes on the timer. There we go. There we go. 5 minutes. And we just let it brew. And we give the flame just a little bit. There we go. So now, as you can see, it's doing its thing up here. You can only smell what the coffee smells like. Oh my god. There it goes. So we'll let that go for 5 minutes. And we'll have ourselves one of the best cups of coffee that can be made. Oh god, as I said, I wish you could smell what this place smells like right now. Delicious, delicious, delicious. And there you go. That is a Pyrex glass coffee pot. We'll just let that go. In a few minutes we'll be sipping our wonderful, delicious coffee. Alright folks, thanks for watching, and if you would, like, share, and subscribe. And don't forget, if you want to keep up to date on the videos that I make, hit the little bell. Till next time, people. Ciao.